Alternative Chinese medicine for lowering high blood pressure in 5 minutes. Chinese alternative medicine, most effective way of reducing high blood pressure in 5 minutes without pills. High blood pressure, or known under the name hypertension, represents increased pressure of the blood within the arteries. Hypertension is formed due to two very important factors which are able to show up themselves or all together. The heart forms the blood using too much strength. The arterioles are the smallest vessels within the body and they are narrow. This is made just because it is necessary for the blood to continue to produce a much more pressure toward the walls of the vessels. Hypertension represents an illness of today's time. It is connected with lack of sleep, heat and stress, headaches, sweating, and diet. Right now, everyone around the world are kept in a situation where their pressure of the blood level is heightened. We find ourselves every day in situation of stress or increased physical activity, in which case the muscles are extremely fatigued and the vessels of the blood slimmers producing pressure. If this situation happens to you, do you have any idea how to react in order to bring back to normal your blood pressure? The muscles need to relax at the exact moment. Moreover, what is the best way in order to give the muscles the necessary relaxation? The secret has been discovered in the ancient Chinese alternative medicine, in which case the blood pressure is able to be brought back within a few minutes, and you would not have to take any medication. One of the most essential things is to possess an extremely good flow of the blood within the muscles and tissues. If there is a case of where the progress of the bloodstream becomes slower in no matter what part of the body, that situation may bring some expansion of the illness. At the end, by giving out the body the necessary amount of blood circulation, the illness will be cured in no time. By giving some massages to some certain parts is the essential thing to do. All of that will give you a hand in the progress of curing the illness. On the head, you may find two spots which are essential when it comes to reducing the pressure of the blood. Number 1 spot. The number 1 spot, it does not represent a spot, but it is more like a region. This place you can find immediately next to the earlobe, which is turned to the center of the clavicle. You do not have to give any massages or any more pressure to this place. The only thing you can do is to just use your hands to give some tender movements all the way through. Try not to touch the fingertips. Try and perform this exercise 10 times, also doing it in circles, touching the two sides of the face. Number 2 spot. The number 2 spot you may discover on the level of the earlobe, half a centimeter from the ear going toward the nose. The following place, you have to give it a massage using the fingertips for about 1 minute from the right side and another minute from the left side of the face. Apply pressure on the spot. However, be careful not to produce pain to yourself. This process is also able to be done with a clock way or a counterclock way. As well as we have to say that this is essential to give out a feeling of pressure on that certain place, but again, do not produce any pain on yourself.